Do you need a straightforward way to measure the success of your marketing campaigns? Our marketing plan spreadsheet template offers easy-to-understand features to track performance and optimize results. This tool will help you manage your marketing campaigns and track their performance, including conversions, revenue, return on ad spend, and return on investment. This template provides these key metrics not only for individual campaigns but also across various marketing channels. You'll have access to detailed monthly and quarterly reports, all summarized in a comprehensive dashboard. This allows you to evaluate campaign performance, organic growth, and the effectiveness of different marketing channels. You'll immediately know which campaigns deliver the best results and conversion rates. Additionally, this template calculates important metrics like lifetime value and customer acquisition costs automatically based on your campaign data. So let me show you how to use this template. You only need to enter data in two core tabs, the Campaign tab and the Performance tab. In the Campaign tab, simply add your campaign's start date, name, and primary channel. This information generates a campaign name that you can select in the Performance tab to input monthly data. The Performance tab is divided into organic and campaign sections where you can enter monthly data for a 5-year projection. The organic section is where you add interactions, free users, paid users, total revenue, and operational costs if you want more detail. The template automatically projects monthly data, but you can edit this data anytime. You can manually update monthly results as they come in, and the template will highlight these changes in blue for easy tracking. With this template, you get a holistic view of your marketing efforts. It allows you to fine-tune strategies based on real-time data, ensuring you make informed decisions that drive growth and efficiency. For campaigns, the process is similar. Select your campaign name from the drop-down menu and enter the start and end dates. Now let's say you start the campaign in January and end it in December. After that, you can start entering your data for interactions and revenue. For example, input the number of interactions, then the clicks from impressions, free users from those clicks, and paid users from the free users. Next, add the monthly revenue and then enter your campaign budget and the actual spend. If you want to add more detail, you can include the operating costs and costs of goods sold, the COGS, and the template will project the monthly results within your specified period. And if you change the end date to July, the projections will adjust automatically to stop at July. After entering your data, the template provides detailed reports for analysis and the dashboard. These reports allow you to filter results by campaign, by channel, making it easy to see how they are performing. So for example, to see how your campaigns on TikTok are doing, you can select TikTok from the drop-down menu and see all of the performance stats. Reports are divided into organic and campaign results, showing metrics like interactions, conversions, revenue, and return on ad spend. And if you want more detail with the operating cost, you can then also have the return on investment. The performance analysis section will show you detailed metrics like cost per free user and cost per paid user, using total revenue and budget data to provide these insights. This analysis is available for all reports. Any changes you make in the Performance tab will automatically reflect in the reports. You can easily export these reports to PDF for sharing with your team. Simply go to File, Print, and you'll have everything organized and ready to distribute. Then we have the dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview comparing performance metrics side by side for campaigns, organic efforts, and different marketing channels you might have. This side-by-side comparison helps you identify the high-performing areas and those that need attention, allowing you to reallocate resources effectively. You can filter data by channel, campaign, month, or overall to get the insights you need. And finally, the template will get all of your campaign data, the revenues you got from the campaign, how much you spent with the campaign, the new users you got for the free users and paid users, and with that, automatically calculate the lifetime value and cost of acquisition. The only number that you have to enter here is the active users you had when starting using the template and your monthly churn rate. With this data, the template will provide the LTV, the CAC, and visual charts for easy analysis. It also offers space for 2 additional customizable plans if you have specific needs. If you have any questions, the template includes a structured tab explaining all calculations, but feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and happy marketing!